What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Bitcoin Weekly update. The date is January 2nd, 2019. I'll probably fuck that up a few times on our next update videos. Hopefully I can remember that it's 2019 now. Happy New Year, guys. I might sound a little weird. I'm pretty sick. My sinuses are pretty messed up, but I'm going to do the video anyway. But let's take a look at what happened last week. Really, what we saw here, if you go to like a 4-hour, 3-hour, kind of the low macros, you could see there were nothing but lower highs. You can see we started off with a test of this 39.35 level here, was not able to break, failed down, tried to make it back up, failed again, creating this first lower high just above that 38.10 level. And then we came back, retested that 36.92, and we actually found support here. It had that kind of BART bottom where it does that failure, and then it kind of consolidates, and then a swing low failure again, and then it shoots up, kind of making that BART head. Bart Simpson is what I'm referring to if you guys don't know what I mean. But yeah, you can see a break out of that range there, swing low failure here, and then we broke this downtrend here. It took us up to this first level, consolidated a little bit below 38.10, not for very long, for less than like 12 hours, and then we shot up, and now we're trying to retest this 39.35 level. The 39.35 level has not even been touched yet. You can see it failed right up here. The high of this candle is 39.18, so about $20 off that high, or excuse me, that level. And we were not able to retest it. What I'm looking for here for the next coming days is I want to see a retest of this level here, use it as support, and then we can break this level here. If it does not support, test this as support, I want to see a clean break and then a hold. I do not want to see it break and then fail back lower. That will be a false break here. This will give the shorters a nice opportunity to get in, because a lot of the people who would short a move like this, they probably will short it as soon as it breaks the level if it starts to lose steam. So if it breaks the level and then kind of goes sideways a little bit right here without like surging up all the way, they will begin to short it here. So if this breaks the level here and does not continue that impulse move up, when it comes back for that retest, if there's a lot of shorters on this move up here, it will not hold this level. This level will be broken. So I do want to see some strong momentum breaking this level. And then if it comes back for a retest, I want to see it hold that level. If it breaks this level again, that means that the shorters that broke or that shorted the break are stronger than the bulls here. So keep an eye on that. Same thing on the downside. I want to see this level maintain. Obviously, if you're on for a bull scenario, for a bear scenario, I want to see this level break clean and hold the retest. So same thing we just said. If it breaks and if it holds strongly here, the bulls are going to try to buy this trap here. If the bulls are stronger than the bears, this retest will not hold. It will break back through, and then we'll continue that consolidation. So if you're a bear here, you want to see a clean break of this level. If you're a retest trader, you obviously want to see it hold that retest. Another thing you want to see, if you're looking at a higher time frame, you're looking for a wider trade, you want to see a break of this downtrend here. So when this comes back down and it breaks this level, you want to see a break of that downtrend. This is going to be kind of hard to test because it's so far down. So we're going to have to see basically an impulse move down to that level to get that break of it. We probably will see something more like a failure and then a retest and then an impulse. That's the bear scenario. I'm not really bullish or bearish here. We kind of are still in this range. You can see the upper range here, lower range here. And I did call this out in the last video. I said that this could possibly be a long consolidation. I called that out on Twitter as well. Another thing to look at here is the long to short ratio. We've gone over this multiple times on stream here. It's almost back to equilibrium. It's almost back to 1 here. We're at 965. There is only 1,000 more shorts than longs right now. So this ratio is nearing it's 1.0 remain at 1.0 for very long. It's probably going to either spike to like 1.1, 1.15, or it's going to fail back down to like 0.8. It doesn't remain at 1.0 for very long. So we do want to see a nice break of that 1.0 for the bulls, or excuse me, for the bears. Same thing for the bears. You want to see it get below 0.8, meaning there's going to be a lot of shorts open. Or excuse me, for the bulls, you want to see it get below 0.8. That's what I'm looking at here, guys. Really not bullish or bearish until we see a clean break of 39.35 for the bulls, or a clean break of this trend and 36.92 for the bears. Until then, you can really trade this range. You could short the highs, and you can buy the lows. Just have a very tight stop loss. So if we do break this range, you will be safe. So keep an eye on that range, guys. I will update you guys on Twitter. I didn't update today because I've just been sick. I really haven't been on the computer for that much. But I will try to update you guys more. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on Discord, obviously. And I will be posting our next weekly update probably around Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like it. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.